Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic token. Terra Classic token will be worth more than you think. Remember, we have been talking about Terra Classic hitting 1 cent. But I think Terra Classic starting the new year with an impressive move. You can see Terra Classic within the first 2 days of 2023 have gained about $180 million on market cap. People are actually pumping in money. I believe it's one of the whales that are pumping in money on Terra Classic token. Now, this year we were expecting Terra Classic to burn a lot of coins, and not just that. Binance founder Binance have been supporting this coin in last year 2022. We are going to see more support coming in from Binance. Terra Classic will be worth more than we think this year, and I believe although this coin is currently trading at 0.0001, I still believe Terra Classic can end the year 2023 trading at 1 cent or even 10 cents. But I believe before 2025, because that is the goal for me, because a lot of people believe that before the end of 2025 that Terra Classic, with the support of different top crypto exchanges, that this coin can reach $1. Now, hitting $1, of course, is going to be amazing, but they still need to burn a lot of coins. Burning at least 5 trillion coins before the end of 2025 will help Terra Classic to really increase in price. I believe last year Terra Classic is one of the coins that actually topped terms of social media search, but where you can still consider Terra Classic to be one of the worst coins of 2022, because Terra Classic was actually trading at over $130 before dropping due to the crash. So I believe even though after the crash, Terra Classic started getting a lot of support, but I can still say Terra Classic is one of the worst coins because that was the year Terra Classic actually crashed. But we believe that Terra Classic can recover. For those that will be investing on Terra Classic earlier, I believe that by the time this coin will be hitting 1 cent, we'll be making a lot of money, at least 10,000 to 15,000 or even 20,000%. It's a lot of money to go. So let's keep hoping that the developers will keep supporting this coin. They will keep pushing Terra Classic to hit a massive increase in price, and I believe 2023 is going to be a better year for Terra Classic token. But please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please can do your own research before taking any decision.